move forward here in our lightweight matchups. We now have Team Tajikistan represented in the blue corner, taking on Ireland out of the red. Liam in the red corner, starting out, switching stance, moving very nicely. Trying to find his range. Goes low again with that outside kick. Asrorov in the blue for Team Tajikistan. Throws heavy to the body, lands that right hand. Both changing levels at the same time, looking for his takedown. Irish coach asking for underhooks, manages to get the left one. Tajikistan now deep in on this single. Liam needs to be careful he doesn't grab the head. Grabbing the head just help, that's what we want. Pushing the head down, making a frame, very nice. Now from that manages to get another one. Beautiful switch up from Tajikistan though. Feinting the left side single and then switches to the double. Whole body flattening him out now. Liam does well to get to his hands. Straight arm here, needs to just shuffle those knees and get them out. Shelving the leg is Tajikistan. Needs to get his head a bit higher, does Liam. Needs to be careful he doesn't get taken backwards. Great work to get back to his feet. Again attaching himself by grabbing the body rather than pushing away. Liam needs to attack now from the bottom. Tajikistan scoring the takedowns, but no real damage. Only 10 seconds remaining.
Attention all team leaders. Extra kit is now available in the equipment room. Collect your extra
interesting round. Distance controlled early by Team Ireland, and then once it closed distance and got to the grappling, Tajikistan just seemed to be one step ahead. But Liam displaying some great takedown defense. In moments, the moments where he did get taken down, it was, I feel because of errors, grabbing hold rather than pushing away, connecting himself rather than framing and creating distance. When he did frame and he did create distance, it was very hard for the Tajikistani fighter to take him down. But Asrorov, relentless in his pursuit to get the takedown, and got it a couple of times. Looks calm and relaxed going into the second round. Need a bit more urgency from Liam, I feel. And here we go, action underway here. Liam feinting, switching stances. Really likes that outside low kick. Better now with the underhooks. Hustling for position here, both trying to push each other into the fence. Tajikistan's the one that converts it now though. Liam has the double underhooks. Legs seem a little bit uncomfortable up against the fence though. Needs to be careful he doesn't connect his hands. Has connected the hands. Grabbing around the neck is Liam. Could maybe attempt some sort of choke, but gets taken down. In the full guard position a lot earlier now. In this rule set, sometimes you find once they convert the takedown and they get in the guard, from the bottom attacking submissions actually can be an advantage. Trying to frame that leg and set up a triangle. Ireland right in their own corner. Needs to show urgency here, needs to try and get back to his feet, needs to search for submissions. Can't just lay on his back. Needs to try and peel off one of these arms. That's it, brings the knee in. Needs to be a bit more forthright with that. Switches his hips well. Gets off to the side, trying to climb. Last 10 seconds now, though. Nice exclamation mark on that round from Tajikistan. Feel like was much more dominant. Got the takedown much earlier. Growing in confidence. And our third and final round here. Contest between Tajikistan in the blue. Way much more fast out the gate here, looking for this takedown. Has a bite on the neck, but be really pushing for this one. Liam on the bottom, searching for his way out. And gets it, given by Tajikistan. But still converts that takedown super early. Liam needs to be very, very urgent in this third round. I would be under the impression that he's 2 rounds down. Needs to be searching continuously for submission attempts. Needs to open up this game now. Slides that knee in very well, has foot on the hip. It's good progression. Now needs to look to switch. Nice adjustments from Tajikistan though. Looking now maybe to try and pass this guard. Big shots to the body here. Displaying a lot of dominance. Tajikistan in this third round. Liam running out of ideas, trying to pull this arm off again and trying to get those knees higher, but the pressure from Tajikistan a little bit too much for him at the moment. Glove from Liam Burke is coming off. And Jan steps in, the referee, warning about pulling the gloves. For that reason, gets to stand back to the feet. Liam with a soft attempt at getting a takedown, gets reversed and ends up on the bottom again. A very tough contest there for Liam Burke. Tajikistan came in powerful from start to finish, grew in confidence throughout the fight, and got more and more dominant. And Tajikistan taking that victory.